Okay, this is the pipe type. This drone arrived with us to the workshop in less than 1 month. Now the drone in the remote controller now is telling us this error. If we look here, too low voltage in both centrifugal motors and in the and then another error is ESC error, centrifugal motors in number 1 and number 2. So in this drone, before we change it, the spraying module, the spraying adapter module, and the cables of the impeller pump motors. So now the error are both centrifugal motors. So we're gonna change it to see if the problem is fixed, or maybe a cable it's moved. So we're gonna check it.